Tourist trap. Avoid these common mistakes when managing a travel business. In a booming tourism industry, travel businesses face fierce competition and evolving customer expectations. To stay ahead, they must adapt to digital trends, make strategic decisions, and avoid common pitfalls to ensure growth and success. Common mistakes when managing a travel business. Neglecting online presence. Failing to establish a strong online presence through websites, social media, and online booking platforms can limit visibility and hinder customer acquisition. Ignoring customer feedback. Neglecting to listen to and address customer feedback can lead to dissatisfied customers and damage to the business's reputation. Inadequate staff training. Lack of proper training for staff members can result in poor customer service and negative experiences for travelers. How to avoid these common mistakes when managing a travel business. Establish a strong online presence. Invest in professional website development, social media marketing, and online booking systems to enhance visibility and attract customers. Prioritize customer feedback. Implement systems for collecting and responding to customer feedback promptly, addressing concerns, and continuously improving services. Invest in staff training. Provide comprehensive training programs for staff members to ensure they have the knowledge and skills to deliver exceptional customer service. How a professional doctorate in tourism helps professionals. Advanced research skills. Develop advanced research skills to identify industry trends, consumer preferences, and emerging opportunities. Leadership development. Enhance leadership skills to inspire and motivate teams, drive innovation, and achieve organizational objectives. Strategic planning. Gain strategic planning capabilities to effectively manage resources, mitigate risks, and seize growth opportunities in the tourism sector.